All right, so here we've got a 2016 Mazda CX-5. Very dirty engine compartment, by the way. Doing a oil change. I've lifted up the side, kind of went through a little bit of this process. Also added a jack stand, rather, and brake for it. But I'll show you on the back side. There's a panel I've already removed. And just one second, I want to make sure. All right, so just want to make sure you guys can see it. Right there's the drain plug, and right here you've got the oil filter. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the drain plug. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, holy crap. Be prepared for launch. I'd suggest try not to let this sucker go, that way you don't have to fish it out. But worst case scenario, just fish it out. There you go. Alright, I'm going to stop it for now, wait for this to finish draining, and then we'll take off the oil filter. Alright, so while we're waiting for oil to finish draining, which it's probably good, but I'm going to go ahead and take care of this up here. Yes, I am putting a glove on. It's whatever. Coat the O-ring of the oil filter with some oil. Doesn't have to be a lot, just a little, kind of help it seat. Remember, when we install this, you're not using any tool, you're just going to snug it up. So this one, yeah, as soon as it hits the surface, then you do plus 3/4 turn to 1 turn. So as soon as you feel it meet, then you would do another 3/4 to full turn. But yeah, and also make sure you fill this up at least a little bit. Yep, it says it on there as well. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so the oil's dripping a little bit, but it's pretty much done. So I'm going to try to get this sucker off without a tool. Also have an oil filter wrench, but it seems to be, holy crap, turning slowly but surely. Shit. Drain plug in a little bit so I don't stop dripping on my butt. Torque on that, it's 25 foot-pounds. 25 foot-pounds. Do not forget. Just torque it. There we go. Done. Alright, like I said, we've already coated the O-ring on the new oil filter. And already filled it up, just like the instructions on the side of the thing tells us to. So, make sure you do not use a tool. Do not use a tool. Fudge it. I'm in a bed. Yeah, I tell you what, if I would have jacked this car up, it would have been 10 times worse. You don't have to jack it up, but it makes it easier. Just make sure you're using jack stands. Alright. So right there, it's snug. I got the right side of the sticker. Yeah, bless it. Yeah, that's good. There's a 3/4. All right, I'm back and get my torque wrench. All right, Got my torque wrench at 25. "25 foot-pounds is not a lot. Twice for good measure. All right, that's it for this side. All right, another reason why I jacked this thing up is because I couldn't even get a screwdriver under here. Oh, I mean, you can use a socket on these screws, but I just wanted to use my screwdriver. All right. All right, you got a couple tabs in here you want to make sure they're on. Got tabs there. Those are good. Wouldn't completely suggest doing that because if you break it, you kind of are screwed. But there's 2 screws. I'm not sure what size they are. They're pretty small, but they're also, mine are also Phillip head. And then got this little piece here. I hate those things. No over typing. Tighten. You don't break them. Alright, so I'm going to fill this thing up. We've changed the oil filter. We've drained the oil, obviously. Manufacturer suggests 0, 20. That's what I thought. I prefer normal ones, full synthetic. 4.5 quarts. So I'm going to do about 4.5 quarts and then check. Alright, so we're going to let it settle a couple minutes and we'll come back and check. But also too, remember when it actually starts up and you turn it off and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes, it may be a little bit lower than what you have right now when we check. Alright, so once we've got the oil in there, let it sit for a while. I'm going to check this thing. So pull it out, wipe it off, stick it back in until it bottoms out, pull it back out. And you can see there's 2 dots right here. Bottom one being add, top one being full. It's in between. So like I said before, start her up a couple minutes, let her sit for 5, 10, 20 minutes, whatever, and check it again. Just make sure, because of it kind of filling everything back up from where it drained earlier. All right, if you like it, subscribe.